smile with your teeth.
Go like this. Did you eat that cat? Did you eat it? No, why'd you kill it? Get in there. It's ridiculous.
I have receipts, guys. I have receipts. So anyway, let's dive right into this video. What is happening?
President-elect Trump's threat to carry out mass deportations is putting immigrant communities across the nation on edge. Take Springfield, Ohio, where Trump accused Haitian immigrants without any evidence of eating pets. Well, many are now leaving the city fearing deportation. CBS's Nicole Valdez spoke with a woman in Springfield about the uncertain future for her community.
I just boiled that. It takes a long, long time to cook.
Ketley Moyes fled unspeakable violence in her homeland of Haiti 6 years ago, hoping to find peace and a slice of the American dream.
I stay here. I do two jobs to make my business. That's why I don't go back Haiti.
How many people do you think that you know have left Springfield?
I know almost 10 people.
And who are those people?
Friends, my neighbors.
She saved money for years and recently opened a restaurant. One of the thousands of Haitian immigrants building a life in Springfield, Ohio,
Can I help you?
who now find themselves in the crosshairs of the incoming administration.
We're going to have the largest deportation in the history of our country, and we're going to start with Springfield.
Moyes, like most, are here legally through temporary protected status, which President-elect Trump has vowed to end.
I can't talk.
I know, it's difficult.
I'm scared because on my business Haiti is born. I lost my mom. Someone come in the business. They shoot my mom, the gun, born my business. Yeah, deportation, go back Haiti. For me especially, I gonna be die. I gonna be dead.
Many Haitians are leaving town, even Moyes' own daughter. When your daughter told you she wanted to leave, did you think about also leaving?
Yes, I keep thinking about that. I don't know where I'm gonna go, but I keep thinking about that.
We're hoping everything works out the way it needs to work out, you know?
Okay.
God somehow works everything out, you know?
If you
And
got God, you have everything.
That's right.
Faith fueling Moyes' motivation to keep cooking, to stay in Springfield. While her business and her future hang in the balance. Nicole Valdez,
Listen, that's a lie. Trump never said that he was going to deport all those who came to America legally. He never said that. He said he's going to deport all those people who came to United States illegally. Why are CBS or whatever you call this legacy media trying to misinform the uninformed? And first of all, it is true. They did eat the cats. They did eat the cats. Here is the proof. This woman was caught eating a live cat in Ohio. Ohio, is it not the same place that President Trump, was talking about? They were eating the cat. He probably saw the video. President Trump probably saw this video and said they are eating the cats and the dogs.
Put your hands behind your back. Someone got rubber gloves. She's covered in blood.
I bet you got gloves.
You got rubber gloves.
I gotta check other ones. I do not have those.
9-5.
95.
Get one in custody. Where do you live at?
2255 hours.
Cuff her up.
Yes, please. Can you get that light over here now?
22. 2-2.
Let's go.
Yeah, there's a lot of units close together around here. I haven't found anybody walking around. You can show me complete route to headquarters.
Yeah. Hold on. I'm putting a blanket on that back seat first. Hold on. So you have a right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have a right to an attorney if you can't afford one. Won't be appointed to you at state's expense. You have a right to have that attorney present during any questioning. You have a right to stop answering any questions once they begin. Do you understand your rights? Do you understand? Smile for me.
Smile with your teeth.
Go like this. Did you eat that cat? Did you eat it? No? Why'd you kill it? Get in there. It's ridiculous. Here. It's all right, other kitty. You're safe. Did you guys see all this?
No, we pulled up and she was just laying there with me.
Did you see her eating it?
Eating it.
She was eating it?
Yeah. She said, but it's blood on her shoes. She said she stumped it out.
Yeah.
The head out.
33, go ahead.
Well, you don't kill a cat and go to the hospital. You go to jail.
Southwest with CM 410221.
No, she
CM
was saying that she
410221.
killed 2 other kids. That's what she was saying. Yes.
Copy out at 10th and Duber with CM 410221. 2259 hours. You guys never seen her report or anything?
No.
202.
I've seen her over there, but I don't know like exactly.
You call the Humane Society, see if they'll come pick this cat up. It's deceased.
So, yeah, they did eat the cats, okay? They were eating the cat, they were eating the dogs. Eat the cats, eat the cats, okay? They ate the cats. We don't have a video of anybody eating a dog, okay? But yes, we do have a video of somebody eating a cat. So stop blaming President Trump. President Trump was 50% right, okay? 50% right. We did not see anyone eating a dog, but we did see someone eating a cat, and she was caught. We don't care if it was only one person. We know there were rumors. Maybe those other people were not caught, but this one was caught, and it's in the same state. Yeah, they were eating the dog. So I'm going to end this video here, okay? But before I end this video, I just want to say thank you to my returning subscribers. I owe you guys so much. And to my new subscribers, thank you. Thank you for being here. I'm going to see you in my next one. Let's dance.
They're eating the dogs. No. They're eating the cats. All the people that live there. They're eating the dogs. Yeah. They're eating the cats. Yeah. They're eating the cats. All the people that live there. They're eating the dogs. Yeah. They're eating the cats. Yeah. They're eating the cats. All the people that live there. Springfield, please don't leave my cats. Hey, daddy, hey, people of Springfield, don't leave my cats. To be, they're eating Are you seeing that number? Only three. Only three. Oh my goodness. Only three. Oh. We just need three. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. We just need three. We just need.